So hello, I am Jan Matthew Dullas, and I am here to discuss the CSPT-C9, which is Platforms for Scalable Objects and File Storage. First is yung cloud-based storage. Ano ba yung cloud-based storage? Cloud-based storage is yung storage na remotely or pwede sa online yung ilagay na storage. Katulad nung, ito, yung example is Amazon S3, which is yung most popular. Pero sa Pilipinas, hindi masyado. Next is yung cloud, Google Cloud, which is yung ginagamit dito. Highly scalable and durable. Parang reliable siya, hindi na siya, parang hindi na madaling mawala yung mga data mo. Since ginagamitan nga siya ng cloud-based system. Next is on-premises object storage. Dito naman, kung sa cloud-based storage is remotely siya, this is merong local na storage, itong on-premises. Dinagamitan ito ng tatlong factor yung application, which is yung SAN, NES, tsaka object na nakapaloob doon yung FCIS, CSI, NFS, SMB, and RESTful. May iba-ibang function din yun to block to yung dalawang server, yung SNB and tsaka NFS tsaka object store. Example nito is yung Mini.io, an open source self-hosted object storage platform that is easy to deploy and manage. Next is yung Cloudian Hyperstore, a scalable and secure object storage platform that can be deployed on premises in the cloud. It offers a wide range of features, including lifecycle management, versioning, and encryption. Last, next and last, tong hybrid object storage. Since hybrid nga, andito yung local and public. Local, which is yung on-premise, and yung public, which is yung cloud-based. So pinagsama natin yun sa isang functionality, yun yung tinatawag na hybrid. So meron tayong mga part na remotely siya, meron ding mga part na nasa local storage mo siya. Yung example nito is yung Dell EMC ECS, a hybrid storage platform that can be deployed on premises or in the cloud. Next is yung Hitachi Vantara Astara, a hybrid storage that can be deployed on premises or in the cloud. It offers a wide range of features, including lifecycle management, versioning, and encryption. So that is for my CSPT-C9.